How do you stitch massive blocks of solid steel together without an entire bridge or ship eventually falling apart? Long ago, engineers relied on brute force. Workers would drill holes through thick steel plates, hammer in red-hot metal rivets, and pound them until they cooled. As the rivets contracted, they pulled the plates tightly together. It worked for a while, but it held a terrifying flaw. The relentless vibration of massive ship engines and heavy trains slowly wiggled the rivets loose, turning giant steel structures into ticking time bombs. They desperately needed a way to fuse the steel directly. First, they tried melting the plates with extreme fire, but the heat took hours to spread, warping and ruining the massive steel sheets. Then someone had a crazy idea. What if they shot raw lightning through the metal? Engineers discovered that bringing electrified rods close to the steel created ultra-hot sparks that melted the metal perfectly and instantly filled the gaps. Electricity was the ultimate solution, but there was one tiny, fatal problem. The raw voltage required to melt the steel was so violently high that it would instantly electrocute the worker holding the rod. While some probably joked that the cheapest solution was to just keep hiring replacement welders, engineers needed a real fix. The savior of modern construction was the transformer. By running the electricity through a heavy-duty transformer, engineers could radically drop the deadly voltage while keeping the extreme melting current exactly the same. Finally, workers could wield the power of raw electricity without frying themselves, giving humanity the ultimate tool to build the massive steel skyscrapers and modern ships we rely on today.